This is a great question. How do I make a copy of a Google form and only make a copy of the form and not copy the data? It is really pretty simple to do. I'll show you two ways to do it. Number one, here's a form right here, Anonymous High School Confessions. And you can see here's the associated spreadsheet that contains the responses of this form. And furthermore, if I open the form and I go click on responses, you can see there are 28 responses in the form, as well as if I view in the sheets. Like I said, here's the Google sheet that contains that data as well. So how do I make a copy of a Google form and not copy the data? There's two different steps you could use. Number one, view the Google form and go over here to the three dots, and then three dots, click on Make a Copy. And when you go to make a copy, it's going to give it a name, save it wherever you want to save it, hit Make a Copy. Now, if you look at this form, this is a brand new form. It's called Copy Of, and there are no responses. Furthermore, there is no sheet associated with it either. I've got to click on this, link to sheets. It'll create a sheet named that. I'm going to show you right here. Click on that. It's going to create a new sheet, Copy of Anonymous High School. Now, let me cancel that. Close this. Let me go back over here. There's copy. Let me get rid of that. Just delete it. I can also click on this one time, click on the three dots here, and make a copy as well. It'll do exactly the same steps that I showed you earlier from within the form, clicking on the three dots. And again, there's a copy of Anonymous High School Confessions. Open it up. There's no responses, and it is not yet linked to a sheet. Pretty straightforward. Again, the magic is all behind the three dots. Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.